Hello, hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to design a simple Android app for calculation of cube of given number. This app uses text view, edit text. It demonstrates how to display a simple toast message and alert dialog. In this project we will learn how to create a simple Android app for cube calculation of a given number. We will understand how to use edit text view for getting number and displaying output with color and text formatting. We will also understand how to use toast message and displaying alert dialog. Now let's start. Click on File, New, Project. Then choose Empty Activity. Click on Next. Specify the name for your application. I am giving here cube calculation. Select the directory that you want. Then click on Finish. So it will create a new Android app whose title will be the cube calculation inside the Android apps directory in E drive. It requires some time to building the process and getting ready your app. The basic interface required for designing your app will be ready, and one main activity.java file will be appear in front of you. So this is what the main activity.java file. Here a simple function is defined inside the main activity, that is on create. So this function is useful to execute your activity, to execute your app screen. With that, the set content view function is called. So in that r.layout.activity main something is called. So I am going to click on this activity main. I am holding control key and click on this activity main. It will show you the layout file. So for the designing, something which is already designed there, it's showing. I am simply selecting this constant layout, and instead of that I am typing here linear layout. It appears on drop down box. I am simply selecting it, Android layout, linear layout, then it also automatically ends linear layout. The linear layout requires one essential attribute, that is orientation. Write ORI, it will display Android orientation. Hit enter, then select vertical. So whatever the control you will add into that layout will be added vertically. Then the text view is already added there. I am going to delete this text view. Then I am going to design one edit text. For that, less than edit text edit, press enter. Then it's showing the layout width. I am selecting match parent. The height I am selecting wrap content. Then I am entering greater than, so the tag will end now. Inside this greater than, I am again pressing a enter key. Then I want to specify the hint for that text box, so I am adding hint. The hint is enter any number. Then you have to add the ID for this text field. Type ID, then select ID, then select @+ ID, specify the name to the ID to the text box. I am specifying here txt number. Then I want to format this text box, so I am adding here text style, that is bold. I am specifying bold. Then I am adding here text size. Then I am adding here 12 point or 14 point. Then color also, you can add color also, text color. You can use here color primary dark. These are the predefined color which is already defined. We can define our own color also, so choose color primary dark. So this is what we have designed a edit text for getting a number. You can also specify here what kind of input you want to acquire into that text box. You can specify the input type. If I type in IN, it will show you Android colon input type. Then choose that. Before, in front of that, choose number. It means you will able to add only number into that text box. Okay, this is what a text box. Then again I want to specify the alignment of the text that I am going to enter into text box. So I am specifying here text alignment equal to center. So this is something like that. You will get the design of this code, whatever the code that I have designed here. Then we require one button. So for that, less than button. Then again I am selecting here match parent, then wrap content, greater than, enter, then ID equal to ID Android colon ID, then choose @ plus ID btn cal, like that. Text that will show on button, that is calculate. Then text size, you can use text size is equal to 12 point or 14 point, 12 point or 14 point. Then text size, text color is equal to color primary dark. Then text style is equal to bold, etc. This is what button that we have designed. Before that, after that button, we are going to design one edit text view for displaying the answer. Text view. Then I'm selecting here match parent, then wrap content, then greater than, then ID. We require ID to specify the text there. ID is equal to txt answer ans. Then again I'm simply copying and pasting all this for formatting. Okay, so 14 point, and again I want to specify the alignment of this text, that is text alignment. Then select center, the text will appear in center. I don't want to display that text here. Text property is equal to text property I have suppressed or specified equal to blank. Then this is what the design that we require to calculate the cube of a given number. Then we'll again move to the main activity.java file. We jump toward the activity main.xml file by holding control key and clicking on it. Again we come here to write code. Then we want to write the click listener of that button. So simply we have to create button object, button btn cal is equal to, we have to access that button that is designed in layout file. For that we have function called find view by ID. Then this function requires the ID of that button, ID r.id.btn cal. Then btn cal dot set on click listener. So I want to click on that button, so that for that I am adding that function set on click listener. Then new, I am holding control and pressing spacebar. It will show you view.on click listener. Press enter. It will add a function called on click automatically there. Inside that on click you have to write the code that is to be executed after you press on that button. So once we press on that button, we have to get the number that is entered into that text box. For that I am adding here what I am adding here, txt edit text. For getting the edit text, we again have to create edit text object, edit number, edit number equal to find view by id, then r.id.txt number. So we have accessed that edit text. Then we have to get the number that is entered into that edit text in integer variable, integer num equal to edit num dot get text dot toString, and I have to convert that string to integer. So for that I have to simply write integer dot parse int, integer dot parse int. So this will convert the number that is entered into that text box and will be available in NVM. Then will be available in NVM. So before that I am going to check whether the edit I am going to check whether the string which is entered into that text box is blank. If edit num dot get text dot toString dot equal blank is not equal blank, if not equal blank, then I have to read the number. Otherwise I have to simply display the message, please enter number, please enter the message. So for that I am using the toast class here, toast. I am writing simply here to, it shows me the toast. I am simply selecting the toast, means hold and pressing enter key. Then I am again using the control plus space bar. It shows me create a new toast. I am simply hit the enter key. It automatically complete the function. I am simply going to add the message here, enter number first, enter number first. Okay, so this is what if the number is not entered in the text box, the simple toast message will be displayed. You will identify how the toast message will work. Then if the number is properly entered, then I am going to calculate the cube of that number equal to number into number equal to number into number. So I have to display that number to that edit text view. So for that I am going to create the text view, txt answer is equal to find view by id, r.id dot then txt answer, then txt answer dot set text equal to cube equal to plus ans. So this will display the cube on the text view. With that also I am going to display the answer on alert dialog. So for that alert dialog dot builder. So for that alert dialog builder is an class to display the alert dialog dot builder. I am going to create the object of that class as builder, then new alert dialog builder, then main activity dot class main activity dot this something I have to write there for creating the alert dialog. So for creating the object of alert dialog, So then builder dot set title equal to set title equal to cube calculation answer. Simply I'm going to display the answer here. Then b builder dot set message, then cube equal to plus ans, cube equal to plus ans. Then I have to add the OK button on that builder. Then builder dot set positive button, OK. Then when I click on that OK button, the dialog must be closed. So for that I am going to write the click listener of that OK button. After writing new, then hold Control key and press space bar. It will show you the dialog interface dot on click listener function. Press enter. It will add the function. Put semicolon in front of that bracket. Then simply close the dialog interface dot dismiss. We just want to close the dialog. Then we have to create the alert dialog equal to builder dot create. Then we have to show the dialog dot show. This is required for displaying the dialog box. So we'll check our code which is working properly or not. So I'm simply going to click on the run. One virtual machine or Android AVD is already installed there. I am going to click on that run button. It requires some time. Before that I am going to focus on what we have done. So in activity.main.xml file, we have designed one text box and button and edit text for displaying answer. So edit text is a tag for that, for designing edit text. Button is also a tag for that, for designing button, and the text view is also another tag for designing the text view. So we are accessing that designing here. So for accessing button, we have to create the object of button class, then find view by id is a function, and here you have to specify the id of that button. To add the click listener of that button, simply we have to call this function. Then inside that function you have to take the number which is entered into the text box. I am going to check whether the number is blank. If the number is blank, it will show you the message, please enter number. Otherwise it will read the number. It calculates the cube, then it displays the cube on text view. TXT answer. Okay. Then I'm also going to display the answer in alert dialog. So for that, alert dialog dot builder is a class. I have created the object of this class and I have initialized the object. So in the constructor requires the main activity dot this, on which we want to display the alert dialog. We have simply display the message and the title to this alert dialog box. The positive button required on that alert dialog, and after clicking the OK button, the dialog will dismiss. For creating the dialog, we again have to call the create function, and to show the dialog we have to show function. So after this, the program is now entered here, executed here. If you press 6 and click on calculate, you will get the answer, that is cube calculation. Enter. And if you enter blank and if you calculate the cube, it will display a simple toast message, enter the number. This is how to use toast and a dialog message. Thank you very much.